In the world of science fiction, alien races vary in terms of technology, from highly advanced civilizations like the Borg to primitive tribal societies like the Vulcans. Aliens are typically divided into two categories: advanced and primitive. Advanced civilizations are those that have mastered interstellar travel, while primitive civilizations have not yet developed the ability. It is very rare for a primitive civilization to develop interstellar travel without outside contact with an advanced civilization. If a primitive civilization does invent such technology on its own, it usually has access to only a small region in which it operates because of its lack of knowledge about the universe. The classification system discussed in this post applies primarily to intelligent beings from other planets. Class 1, Pre-industrial. Aliens classified as Class 1 are considered pre-industrial. This means they use manual labor and do not have a written language. The first recorded contact with an alien civilization was with the Martians in 1898, which were classified as Class 1 at that time. There is no evidence yet of any contact with Class 1 civilizations beyond our solar system. In 2014, it was theorized that if such civilizations exist, then we would be able to detect them using the WOW signaler via Project Phoenix. Class 2, Industrial. This class is comprised of the more advanced cultures that have developed industrial-level technologies. While these groups are generally more technologically advanced than Class 1, they do not have the ability to travel interstellar distances. These civilizations tend to be at a similar stage in their technological evolution as early human civilizations, such as ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia and China. Some members of this class may have the capability for interplanetary travel, but it is not common. They are able to utilize devices such as telescopes, satellites, space probes, observatories and lasers. They can build large structures and cities with heavy industry which employ modern means of production. Class 3, Post-industrial. Many scientists have tried to classify the levels of advanced civilizations that are theorized to exist in the universe. The Kardashev scale is one such classification system. It has three classifications: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Type 1 civilizations have mastered the use and conversion of energy sources in a way that no other civilization can compete with. They would be able to create an energy source for themselves from an available source that would last for millions or even billions of years. They would also be able to harness all the power in the universe if they wanted to do so. However, since there are no known examples of this kind of civilization, it remains purely theoretical at this time. There are two types of technologies that we know about today, however, which fit into the Type 2 category. One is where solar panels capture the energy in sunlight and convert it into usable forms like electricity. The second type occurs when nuclear reactors convert radioactive material into electricity. Class 4, Technological. The classification system is composed of 5 classifications: Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, Class 4, and Class 5. Classes 1 to 3 are considered low-level or primitive alien life forms. These races have developed the capability for faster-than-light travel, but most do not use this technology due to its destructive potential when misused. Most races in these classes also possess some form of warp drive, capable of transporting individuals or ships across vast distances instantaneously. Those that do not have this ability still employ slower-than-light subluminal drives that allow for interstellar travel within a human lifetime like us on Earth currently. Class 5 describes technologically advanced alien species that can colonize other planets, but lack the ability to travel faster than light speeds under normal circumstances. They rely on controlled wormholes as an FTL travel method. Class 5, Transcendent. The most advanced alien civilizations. More advanced than Class 4 in every way. We have not yet encountered a Class 5 civilization, but some scientists theorize that we may be the first in human history to do so. Others say it is too soon to tell what an extraterrestrial intelligence could accomplish with its level of technology. One thing is for sure. Should we make contact with such an intelligence, it will change our understanding of the universe forever. It is possible that there are many other classifications of alien civilizations unknown to us, and we might encounter them as time goes on. We can only imagine what they would be like. Maybe even more advanced than ourselves. They might not even look like us at all, or they could be more biologically similar to us. There are billions of possibilities out there just waiting to happen. The classification system for alien life that is most common, and also the best known, is the Kardashev scale. The scale was developed by Russian astronomer Nikolai Kardashev in 1964. It is used to classify a civilization's level of technological advancement based on how much energy they are able to utilize. A Type 1 civilization utilizes all the energy which reaches it from its parent star. A Type 2 civilization can control all of the energy on its planet.